In under 2 minutes, we're going to show you two of the most common problems we see and experience with backdrop photography and how to easily correct them. We're going to show you how to make these easy adjustments only using two lights and a simple backdrop setup. The main light with the umbrella is the one lighting the subject, and the one higher and to the right is the one that we have specifically lighting the backdrop. If the power on the backdrop light is turned too low and it's not bright enough, it will look a little something like this. Obviously, this is a dramatic example, but if you don't turn your backdrop light high enough or you don't have enough direct light on the backdrop, you'll have a great mismatch between the subject and the backdrop and it won't look realistic. In Photoshop, you can correct this mix match, but it's much better to do it right the first time and save yourself a lot of time in post-production. Turn your backdrop light up and then it looks a little something like this. As you can see, this is obviously a lot more realistic and it will save you a lot of time in Photoshop. A second problem we commonly see is that the shadow seems to creep up vertically behind the subject, and that's exemplified here on the left side. Normally you would want to see a consistent light from left to right, but it's darker on the left side of the subject as the shadow creeps up vertically. This problem can be resolved by turning up the light, repositioning the light, or putting another light, a second light, on the left side to light the backdrop. You can also have the subject step farther away from the backdrop so that there's a much more diffused shadow. In a normal realistic setting, you wouldn't see shadow behind the subject, you would only see shadow on the ground. So our goal is to make backdrop shots look realistic, therefore we want to defeat this shadow that creeps up vertically on the backdrop. So turn up your lighting or adjust the positioning of your lighting so that it fully lights the backdrop and you don't see shadow where you don't want it. If you position your lights correctly and have an appropriate power setting, you should be able to alleviate a lot of time in post-production and have great realistic looking shots ready to go. Give us an email or a call if we can help with any of your studio settings or any advice for your backdrop setups. Stay tuned for many more videos to come.